the three men spotted a possible flaw in quantum mechanics that would shake the very foundations of the theory. They noticed that the mathematics of quantum mechanics led to a seemingly impossible situation. Today, Robert Dijkgraaf is the director of the institute.
Apparently Podolsky said, well, Professor Einstein, this is very important in your arguments showing that quantum theory is incomplete. So they got this very animated discussion, and what kind of happens still is now you have a bunch of scientists discussing, and at some point someone says, let's write a paper together. So they did.
Their paper, known today as EPR, argued that the equations of quantum mechanics predicted an impossible connection between particles, a seemingly magical effect. It would be like having two particles, each hidden under a cup. Looking at one mysteriously causes the other to reveal itself too, with matching properties. Quantum theory suggested this effect could happen in the real world. For example, with particles of light, photons. The equations implied that a source of photons could create pairs in such a way that when we measure one, causing it to snap out of its fuzzy state, the other mysteriously snaps out of its fuzzy state at the same instant, with correlated properties. The 1935 paper that described this effect has become Einstein's most referenced work of all. It has captivated generations of physicists, including Anton Zeilinger.
The Einstein-Podolsky-Rosen paper fascinated me, and I had to read it at least 5 or 6 times until I finally understood what goes on. And then it didn't let me go again.
Another way to think of the paired particles is to imagine a game of chance that's somehow rigged.
Suppose I had a pair of quantum dice. I put these 2 quantum dice in my little cup, throw them. I look at them, they show the same number, 6. I put them again in the cup, throw them again. Now they both show 3. I put them in again, throw again. Now they both show 1. Point now being, what I see here is, I see 2 random processes, namely each die showing some number, but these 2 random processes do the same. That's really mind-boggling.
How could 2 particles act in unison even when they're separated from each other?